Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm joining in the hashtag Embellish with Us Wednesday, hosted by Marianne's Craft Corner and Lilo's Crafts. I will be sure to link both of their channels down below. These are the dies that I used to create my embellishments this week. This fruit set from Sizzix. I also used these dies from the Queen & Company. And this was one of their fruit kits, fruit basket kit, and I used some of the dies that they had in this kit. The first ones that I made, I was making these small to fit inside an embellishment box. Ended up making them out of fun foam. I think they came out so cute. I cut the back in black so the seeds could pop through on the strawberry. Then I did some pink color and then I did some green. This little strawberry. And I also made a watermelon one. Look at the dimension on that. It's amazing. Was so fun to make. So after I made these, I pulled my bigger dies and I cut this strawberry one. I did add some of the clay bits that match the fruit, so here's a little strawberry one. And I used the red foam and then the green. I made the lemon one, and this lemon die was actually from Temu. I love how nice the leaves embossed on this one. And then I also added the lemon clay bit there. And I had this apple die, and that was from AliExpress a long time ago. I also added the apple clay bit there. And I made this orange one, clay bit. This one was so fun to make. Now these ones, they are meant for shakers, but they sell the shaker foam parts, so they don't have the back layering. I ended up using one of my circle dies to make this the background on this one. This one I started preparing for packaging. The cute watermelon, my clay bit, and then the lemon. I put some sticky, removable sticky dot on the back of these and some of my recipe card sleeves. And they slip right in. And that's how I will be sending them out in some happy mail. And these are my embellishments for Embellish with Us Wednesday. I thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day. Bye guys!